What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. It has been over a year since I've posted. The last video you guys saw was of my girl's car getting wrapped, and I have not posted. I pretty much went ghost, and that's because I had a lot going on in my life. Didn't really have much going on with the truck, and it's pretty much the sum of it. But we're coming back today. In this video, you guys are gonna see complete makeover, and it's just the beginning of it. We have a lot of plans for the truck coming up. Completely different direction in the build. I'm gonna show you guys what the truck looks like now, and then you guys are gonna see the change. You probably saw the title. I'm probably gonna title it what it is. Hopefully you guys didn't forget about me, and hopefully you guys still keep rocking with me. I'll show you guys my other car. I have a whole nother car now, so I'm gonna show you guys, and then we'll probably start building both of them very consistently. I'm recording on my phone also, so if I keep looking kind of like weird angles, it's because I'm recording on my phone on like the selfie setting. So let's go over my truck real quick and what it's sitting like and what you guys are gonna see in this video, because like I said, I have not touched this truck and it's just randomly impulsive, completely getting a new makeover. So as you guys can see, my truck is sitting in our shop that you guys saw us build. You guys can tell it's getting unwrapped right now. It's not fully unwrapped yet. Do still have the billets on it, the US mags. You guys can see the damage still, the original color. Both sides are pretty much ready to go. So, as you guys can tell in this video, we are lifting my truck. Now I know what you guys are thinking. It's lowered, it's C-notched, billet. I have not driven this truck because where I live, roads are terrible. I have a pretty far commute, so I don't want to really be like slammed and like, it's just sketchy all around, and I haven't been able to really enjoy my truck because of that. Other things too, but I decided I wanted to lift it. I seen a couple of these lifted, look super sick, so wanted to try it. It's a lot easier to reverse a lift than it is to reverse tubs, monster notch tubs in the bed, you know? So that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be lifting it. We're going with a 4.5-inch lift from Rough Country. I've heard decent reviews about them. I am gonna change out the shocks in the future because I know that the shocks aren't the best. We're going with some 24x12, still staying with the 24s. TIS 547C, so chrome. They're not forged, unfortunately, but you know what? For my first set, it's cool. Obviously, it's getting installed by a shop. I unfortunately will not be in town, so I cannot record it. You guys are just gonna see the before and after. It's a short video. Want to start with the banger. Hopefully, you know, some of you guys still rock with me. You guys are still here. If you guys still are here, I appreciate you guys so much. We got a lot of plans for the truck. I've been thinking about it for a very long time, and just thought I should pull the trigger on it. I got a really good deal for the lift, the wheels, installation, and alignment. The truck is getting rewrapped very, very soon after. So debating on what color. If you guys have any color options, leave them down in the comment section down below. If you guys can see the red, you guys are gonna see my other car that's already been wrapped. Only owned it for like 3 months and wrapped it. We're gonna do rock lights. We're gonna paint the frame so it all looks super clean. The color scheme that I'm thinking about going, it's gonna look sick. We're gonna redo all the wiring in my truck. Hopefully I'm a little bit more consistent. I'm gonna at least try to post once every 2 weeks. Like I said, the truck's coming back, finally. You guys been rocking with me. 12,000 subscribers started with my truck, so I'm excited to see where this goes, and hopefully, you know, you guys come back and start rocking with me again. That's pretty much gonna do it for this portion of the video. Like I said, the truck's not gonna look the same anymore. It's a bunch of little stuff to tighten it up. I want to redo the wiring for the headlight, the headliner, stars in the ceiling. Add some lights to the front, get some new headlights. There's just a lot of plans. It's gonna take time. It's not gonna happen overnight, but I'm very excited to start. You know, you have to start somewhere. I'm gonna show you guys real quick my other car. I did get this car probably about 4 months ago. I personally like it. I'm excited to build it as well. It has a couple things done to it, so I'll give you guys a quick rundown. I did record a whole video on it, never uploaded it. I didn't record any type of content for YouTube while wrapping it, so you guys have not seen this car at all if you guys don't follow me on Instagram or my TikTok, which I'll link down below. So this is my 2018 BMW 340i M Sport package. As you guys can see, it has the Apex wheels. It has the painted Brembos. I have some Continental Sport O2s. The car is wrapped, as you guys could see. The car is wrapped. It's originally white. It's pretty much full bolt-on. It has a MHD tune. It has MHD tune, downpipe, cold air intake. I have a flex fuel system for it. I just need to install it. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. It'll make probably around 500 on E40. Right now it's on full E, so it's probably pushing around 380, 400 at most. Not too sure. I haven't really added much to it. That's pretty much how the car came, other than the wrap, really. It's pretty much a quick rundown on it. There's not much to it. It's nothing crazy. I got it as a daily and just been enjoying it, so probably start posting some more content on this too, and my truck. It's pretty much gonna wrap up this video, or this portion of the video. Next, you guys will see my truck lifted on the 24x12. Everything done. It's gonna end it for that video. After we see that, I'll probably record dropping it off, and then you guys will see the end result, I guess. As you guys can see, here are the wheels I went with. They are TIS 547Cs, along with the 4.5 Rough Country lift. I know these shocks aren't the best. I've heard they ride pretty rough, so I will be swapping out the shocks pretty soon after. And along, as far as the wheels, really like these wheels a lot. I know they're not forged, but for my first head, it'll do. Not sure if I'm gonna keep my truck lifted. This is the first time I have something lifted, so might not like it and sell these in a couple weeks. So didn't want to go too crazy. We have 33 by 12.5s on it. I honestly don't know much about these wheels. As you guys can see, there's some TIS 22s with like street tires. I think this looks a lot better, a lot more aggressive, so I'm glad I went with this instead. As you guys can see, it's all finished up. The front, at least, all they have to do is cut the fender a little bit and the front bumper a little bit. They do have to cut it because I did not go with the 6-inch lift. I guess it would have been a little bit less cutting, but it's cool. I like the wide, lower lifted stance anyway, so that's what it takes. As you guys can see, we have the new spring, the shock, brand new upper control arm because my ball joints were shot, and we did replace the lower control arm ball joints. We have the lift spindle, and the front's pretty much done. I actually like how it looks. I'm excited to see it on the floor. I'm gonna drop off the shackles, and they went and got these brackets off of another truck to undo the flip kit and start lifting the back, the 4.5 inches. I really like how it looks. I'm excited. I'm gonna step back so you guys can kind of see the overall look, but it's gonna look sick. I'm excited. It's gonna be a dope build. I'm excited to get back into the video, so hope you guys are too. Damn, so you guys can see, just pulled up. It looks crazy. I'm kind of still like, what the hell? I never thought I would have lifted it. The truck's done. It has an alignment, the wheels, tires. It has just enough poke, so it looks sick. Obviously, I gotta unwrap it, but it looks sick overall. I'm actually happy with the way it came out. We just need to cut a little bit there, a little bit there. It's rubbing up against the top of the plastic, and also the bottom corner area it's rubbing, so just got to get that chopped off so I don't have issues with it rubbing. So there it is, you guys, all finished up. Got the 4.5 inch lift, got the wheels. They had to cut some stuff like the bumper, the fender a little bit, but it's whatever. Looks super sick. I'm in love with the way this truck looks right now. I'm excited for the wrap. I'm excited for all the lighting that's going down on this. Got a lot of things coming up for it. We're gonna start cleaning up the interior, ordering a bunch of the little pieces that are broken on the interior, and just clean it up overall. Tired of this sitting like it's a piece of junk, so it's gonna look sick once it's done. I hope you guys are excited. I'm gonna take it home, finish unwrapping it, wash it up a little bit, and then pretty much finish up this video. Probably get some video at a gas station in the night, but hope you guys like it overall. So as you guys can see, the truck is pretty much done, or it is done with the lift. Everything came out really, really good. The only thing I would say that I want to change is install maybe some 1-inch drop shackles in the back, just so it squats a little bit, just a tiny little bit, because it is like leveled almost too much. I don't know if it sounds weird, but it almost looks like the back is a little bit higher than the front, so I want to kind of fix that. That's the only complaint I have. besides that, I mean, everything else went smoothly. We had to cut a lot to fit the 33s with the 24x12s on this size of the lift. I knew it was coming, so it's cool. It doesn't look too noticeable, honestly. If I don't point it out, I don't think you guys would notice. But I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more in depth of the truck, and that's pretty much gonna close out this video. First video back. I'm very excited for my first video. Excited to see if you guys keep rocking with me and see where the channel goes now that I've kind of jump started on bringing the truck back to life. Attention, we have spring, shocks, and spindles. I did new upper control arm because the bushings were bad, and lower control arm bushings as well. As you guys can see back here, the bushings were shot on them. They were bad. So rather than risk that, I just had them go ahead and do them. For the back, we have the new shocks as well as the lifting block. And that's pretty much it, I think, in the back. Everything overall came out really, really sick. I'm really happy with the overall look of my truck. And I hope you guys are excited as well. Wheel setup as well, I forgot to mention, we have 33x12.5. I think they were BMPs. I don't even know what they are, to be honest. And then 24x12 TIS 547s. That pretty much is it for the lift. I actually really like it. I've seen a couple this year lifted and actually look sick, so it kind of is what made me want to lift it. I believe with the wrap, the color scheme, and everything that's coming for the truck, it's gonna look way better. Like I mentioned, we're doing new headlights, new emblem, new tail lights, third brake light, wrap, rerouting the exhaust, and probably quieting it down a little bit. We got some painting that we're gonna do on this truck. I want to do all the plastics in gloss black, so I'm gonna order new ones of these, get them painted in gloss black, paint these in gloss black, and then the chrome will be wrapped when we decide to wrap it. Like I said, new tail lights. The Crespo wing is gonna get fixed. I'm not gonna mold it because I'm kind of iffy about whether or not I want to keep it. I don't know how it flows with the lifted truck look, so kind of iffy on that. We have obviously the long tube headers with the carbon arm mufflers, and then the side exit exhaust. We might do the light up handles on this with the sequentials. We're gonna do, I believe, 16 or 20 rock lights all under the truck. So this thing's gonna look sick overall. I'm really excited for what's coming. We want to paint the frame, undercoat the whole truck, undercoat the wheel wells and all that. So we got a lot coming for this truck. I hope you guys are excited. That's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys are excited as I am. If you guys are still here, thank you guys. I'm not doing the whole 1 year again. I'm gonna keep posting as much as possible. I just like to put out quality content, and that's what I'm gonna shoot for. I have a whole list of videos coming. I have everything planned out already for the next 2 to 3 months. So I hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys are gonna keep rocking with me. I hope you guys are gonna keep watching the videos. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. I'm gonna link it down below, and we'll see where it goes from there. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.